Gummy? Hey. No. Go. Oh my god.
Should I get a dog?
Your cat was like, nope, not happening.
Just an otter having the time of its life.
Talk to me, damn it, or else I'm gonna throw you in the fire!
Mira, gringa, puta, te he dicho 1000 veces que yo no hablo inglés, puñeta. I don't speak English, me cago en tu madre, tú me ves cara de Donald Trump a mí.
He was biting too hard, so I hissed at him.
You guys are wondering, this is 150 calories. Isn't that so sad?
She hates it.
What you doing? Wanna go down? Can you go downstairs? Hey!
Are you ready? Come on. Yay, bro.
Forever regretting teaching my dog how to whisper.
What was that? Say it again. I can't hear you.
Jerry, stop it! Jerry, stop it! Jerry, stop throwing the plate! Clean it up!
Don't let your cat pet you and see what he does.
How to activate Alma.
Hello.
Swim, don't kill. Yeah, she wants to swim, Jerry. Kill her, Jerry! Kill her! Kill her now! Murder her! Oh, yeah, good boy! Good boy, Jerry! Yes! In the water balloon.
Are you in the jacuzzi? Are you in the jacuzzi all by yourself? Bo's enjoying the jacuzzi. He's loving it. This is why Maxwell's not allowed to watch cat TV anymore.
Toad? Whether you are super Toad or not, you cannot scare Ivar. Look at him. You okay? No.
You're done. You're done.
Hey, what are you doing? What are you doing, bud? How about me and you, wanna walk? Potty? You wanna go potty? Yeah, he wants to go potty!
If anyone out there is thinking about getting a Chihuahua, I would just like to say they are the sweetest, kindest dogs. They're so gentle, great with kids, great with other pets, and overall just a great dog for anyone to have. I would definitely recommend a Chihuahua.
That's why I love Nestle Crunch.
I would like to see the baby.
Holy oh my god. Oh my god.
God.
Oh my god. Callie, get it out. Ew, it's slobbering. Go. I live in my college dorm with my cat, and she's always sitting at this door like something is there, and it freaks me out. And I learned the other day it's because people like to sit here and play with the cat under the goddamn door. Oh my god, now come back. No.
Unbelievable. No. What are you doing? So now I can't even put stuff up there? I'm looking right at you.
If you touch that again, I shall kill you right now. Okay. Do not touch this. This is a no touching zone. Good. Well then... Oh my God! I can't believe you reached across like that again. I can't even believe it. Don't cross this line with your hand.
É aqui, não é ali. Tá? Aqui, ó. Aqui assim.
Just to finishing touch of the smoothie. Just a finishing touch. Finishing touch of the smoothie. Time to try the smoothie. Very good.
Good boy.
Look at me when I say this. No swimming. Do you understand? No pool. Loki, are you listening? If you go in that pool, so help me Jesus. No swimming. Go potties. No. Loki, I said no. I said no swimming. No. Clausen, no. I said, you are a bad girl. Bad girl.
Get your dog ready for a walk and then act like you forgot them. I love closets. Me too. Oh my god, hi bestie. What's up, homie? Secret paw shake. Hell yeah, top. Nice. Hold up, gotta lick. Hey, wanna drink the toilet water after this? Hell yeah, and then let's jump on the counters. Oh my god, you read my mind. Today's gonna be wild.
These are, beavers? Those look like, oh my god, that's a crocodile. That's Wally Gator. Look how they stand up on their toes like, hey, cuz, we gotta get up out of here, cuz. Come on. He got him cornered right now. Oh, wow. Were they going head up with him? They ain't scared of him. What is these animals? Them the ones that eat snakes, huh? Is them mongooses? Oh, wow. It's about 12 of them, cuz. They didn't back the gator up. I ain't never seen a gator get punked by no mongooses. Retreat. Yeah, retreat. Yeah, back up, fool. It's deep.
Can you not?
So I went on a walk yesterday. I went outside and I was about to go for a walk. And then I saw there were a bunch of squirrels and bunnies. And yeah, they all seemed to be so excited to see me. So I said, let's go. Let's go outside and let's go. And then we started walking. So we went on a nice long walk. And then we found a tub of peanut butter. There was lots of peanut butter inside of that tub. Inside of that container. So we ate a lot of peanut butter. Peanut butter. It was just so delicious, you know? Anyway, so my new friends, the bunny and the squirrel. The bunny and the squirrel. Yeah, so we were just walking outside. And we had a lot of fun.
Hey, yo, buddy! Can I have that banana food?
Watch it! Here comes Benoit! Oh my gosh! Benoit!
Oh my god, what is that? Oh my god! What is that?
Who's that Pokemon?
It's Pikachu!
It's the fairy!
Fuck!
Hey, kitty.
I wanna end me. Well, they be like.
Hey, let me get a minute. Hey, let me get one too. Hey, let me hold one. Yeah, you get that right there. What the dog doing?
Gromit! Wake up, Gromit! Come on, Gromit! We've got to hide the body! There's no cheese and crackers in prison, Gromit! Now come on!
I got sick of my cats jumping on the kitchen bench, so I thought I'd try this after seeing it on TikTok.
And then she was like,
I don't know what drugs you took this morning, but this is unacceptable behavior. Do you hear me? Kitten? Do you hear me? Kitten, listen to me.
Why do you always do that thing?
Do what?
That thing you do when you're fighting. And this.
Oh my God, Tony. Tony, watch out. Don't move.
Bless you. Bless you. Bless you. Bless you. Bless you. Bless you. Bless you.